Hello, this is a brief introduction on how to use Academic Search Complete to conduct and refine a search on a topic. You will want to access Academic Search Complete from the library's homepage, library.alusa.edu. From the library's homepage, you want to access the Database tab in the One search bar. On the Database page, Academic Search Complete will be listed as the first result. You will want to select the Academic Search Complete link. From this point, you will want to refer to your chosen topic and create keywords to use in your searching. For example, if I was interested in what types of training existed for golden retrievers, I might separate my topic into keywords like golden retrievers and training. So let's try to enter those terms. First, let us enter golden retrievers. Secondly, let us enter training. You'll notice that both of my terms are separated by the end term. The end term is used to combine two separate keywords. Now that I have both of my terms here, let's try to just run a sample search and see what type of results we get. From these search terms, I received 30 results. Out of those 30 results, I may have different types of sources and may want to only have certain sources included. An example of different sources would be peer review sources. Peer review sources are highly authoritative and credible sources. If I wanted to filter my search by peer review sources, I could use the limiter function on the left side of the bar and select peer reviewed. As I select peer reviewed sources, you'll notice that my search results changed to 10 results. My search has been refined now and now only includes peer reviewed sources. But what if I only want sources from the last 10 years? To accomplish this, I would use the publication date filter and use the slider function here to bring it to the last 10 years. We'll go to 2011. You'll notice that now my search results have reduced down to 7 results. And my limiters are now selected are peer-reviewed, published between 2011 and 2021. Limiters refine your search, but synonyms can expand your search results. I have golden retrievers in training. To use synonyms, I would actually expand these terms to include additional terms. Golden retrievers, a term can be Labrador retrievers. Try experimenting with the terms and seeing how it alters your search results. You'll notice that our search results went up by 37. And many of these results are a little bit more closer to what we were looking for and include both Labrador retrievers and golden retrievers. During your search results, you want to make sure that you're examining relevant sources. Let's try doing the same thing with training. And maybe we could try dog training. See if that changes your search results. This did not change our search results. Our search results stayed the same. So we know the one term that did change and alter our search results were the Labrador retrievers. Experimenting with keywords and synonyms is an iterative process, meaning that you would have to do this a couple of times to find the optimal search for you. It's okay if you don't get the amount of results that you want on the first try. Try experimenting with different terms and using your synonym terms to expand your search, and you'll notice that your search results will alter. This concludes this brief introduction on the creation and usage of keywords and synonyms on Academic Search Complete. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our helpful library staff and librarians at the Ask a Librarian button located on every web page on our library site. Thank you.